Hello everyone. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified to watch it. Thank you. Today we're going to continue with our class on how to compute student results in Microsoft Office Excel. So before we continue this class, let me recap what we did in our last video, that in our previous video. So I talked about cell and margin of two or more cells. Now this is what I mean. When I click on this particular cell, the tick border means that this cell is an active cell. And what is the address or the reference of this particular cell? The address of this particular cell is F6. Why? Because the cell is there because column F and row 6 intersect each other at this particular point, right? So if I click another cell again, you will see that the cell address change, the cell reference change from the name box there, I9. So if I click this one, is F10. Now this is how the cells works. So before you continue with your Excel class, make sure any cell you can click in the Excel sheet, you can be able to tell of its address. So let's quickly look at what we have on the picture there and on how I design my CA sheet. So we're going to design it right now with the knowledge of the previous video. Thank you. Now, first of all, what we're going to do is what? You are going to select a range of cells. But first, you need to count how many columns you have. How many columns do you have? So that you count it and match them so that you'll be able to write the name of your school, the town, the class, and whatsoever. So now I have serial number here. We take column A, names, take column B, then first CA, second CA, exam, total, position. So that means from A to G, is the number of columns I need for my CA sheet. So I will select A1, B1 to G1. These particular cells are range of cells. So now I'm going to match and center. Click match and center so that I will make it become one single cell. So I will click match and center from the home tab under the alignment ribbon. So now you can see if I click that, it's no more a single cell, but a one. It's no more it's no more seven different cells, but a single cell. Thank you. So now I'll write the name of my school there. Now I'll use my keyboard to type. I think this is the name. This is the name of the school I'm going to use throughout the training. And then secondly, I need to type my class and the session and the time. I'll select again A to B to C to D to E to F2 to G2. Then I'll click on match and what? Center. Then I'll type primary 3 out. Now, here I have to just type a space. The way I'll just type a space until when my ancestor says that it's okay. Then I will stop there. Just in order to make sure all that I will write inside this cell will fit in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'll type CA sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'll write session with the column. I believe you know how to type your column to 2022/2023. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Town, column, second town. Now, okay, sorry, there should be space after the column. Space after the column. I'm done with my class. I'll select the third one, select the one of the cells, click on match and center, then I'll type the subject I will be taking. Sorry, I will not be typing subject teacher's name and the phone number. Let's just go straight to the point. Subject I will be taking is English language. So I'm done now. Next, I'll type my serial number S/N, name, first CA, 1 space CA, open bracket, 20%. That is first CA over 20. Now, next, second CA, open bracket, over 20% out of 100. Now, then exam, open bracket, sorry, 60%, 60%, 60, not 160, 60% close bracket. Then here we're going to find this is their total and then the position in English subject. So now I taught you how to expand cell and then to reduce cell. You're going to do the same thing, or you can just use this method. Now this cell, 20%, I cannot see the close bracket. I'll just go between C and D, column C and D, just double click on the line, just double click on the line. It will fit in the write-offs. So now, numbers. I wanted to write 10 students and I don't want to type 1, enter 2, enter 3, up to 10. I will just use auto numbering. 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter. Then I'll select the whole of 1, 2, 3. Take my mouse to the bottom right corner. My mouse pointer will change to a thin cross sign, click hold and drag and count up to 10. Then I will release my mouse. Now I have the serial number up to 10, then I'll fit in the right order. So that it's remains for me to enter the names of my students. Now let's quickly enter the name of our students quickly. Rose, Natalia, enter. Julius, Wilfred, Mohammed, Tajuddin, Samson, and that. Thank you. So these are the names. Thank you. I just cut the video short so that I will not waste your time. So you're welcome. I have to fit all these names inside the name column. Now, how? I'll just come since I know that column B is the column that will take the names. So what I will do between column B and column C, I'll just take my mouse there. When my mouse pointer change to that cross sign with an arrow and then on the left and right, I'll just click to fit the write-offs that are there. What is the next thing I'm going to do? The next thing I'm going to do now is to sort the names of my students. That is, I will sort it alphabetically. Now, this is what you're going to do. Just select from number 1 from rows. Then take your mouse on the home tab, editing ribbon. You see sort and filter. Click on sort and filter. You see sort A to Z. Click on. Now, this question is actually my question is asking you, what do you want to do? Do you want to extend the selection? If the Microsoft Office Excel found data next to your selection, since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. Then it's asking you now, expand the selection. Do you wish to expand the selection? That means together with the serial number, the names will sort. I don't think we would like to do that because if Ross should be second to the last, you see serial number 1 there. So what we're going to click is continue with the current selection. Make sure it's continue with the current selection checked, and then you click on sort. It will sort your name from A to Z. So this is where we're going to stop for this particular video. We will continue in my next video. So please, if you like this video, you find this video very interesting, the only way you can share it to your friends is by liking this video and then sharing on your timeline. Thank you so much till we meet in my next class. Bye bye.